And hello everybody, in today's video I will show you now the multimeter. You know that our electronics have voltage, resistance and current. All this you can measure with the multimeter. This is the DT830B digital multimeter. It is about $5 to $6. It's not high money, but it is a very good multimeter. I'll show you now the basics of this multimeter. Okay, this is a switch that you can turn or left or right. Left or right, sorry. This is DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, current. I don't know what is this. If you know, tell me in the comments. And this is if you have a cable and you know it is cable value. Is this cable good? You turn it to this, you see, and I use this too. And I have a cable for higher voltage. I measure it. I have here one. You see one here and one here. I measure it. Okay. I use this here. I use this here. This here. And you see the numbers are going up and down. And that is, the cable is working. This is resistance. This is resistance. 200,000, 20,000 resistance, 200,000 and 2 million resistance. This is DC voltage. 1000 volts, 220 volts, 2000 millivolts, and 200 millivolts. You see? And this is the off switch here. And this is DC voltage. Just two here. This is DC. This is DC current. Okay, I know what is this. This is AC, I think. Yeah, this is for measuring the AC. Okay. I have this too. This is not a very long cable, but I'm happy with this multimeter. Okay, that was for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you enjoyed, leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. In my next project I will make a phone charger. You know, but you don't see mine. Okay. We see you in the next video. Peace.